All right, we just signed off on the design agreement for your home remodeling project. Let's take a look at what's to come during this process. First thing we'll do is set a time for us to come out to the house with a design team member and your project consultant. Once there, we'll hand sketch the area, taking detailed measurements of every nook and cranny. Then we'll take pictures of the areas being remodeled for reference. We also use these pictures for those before and after photos everybody loves to see. Now that we have all the measurements and pictures, your designer starts putting a virtual plan together. Our software develops a 3D drawing to show you what your new space will look like. This will include specific styles, colors, products, and may take several weeks to finish. All these plans will be run by an engineer to ensure they are possible. During this time, you can utilize our online communication portal to send us messages, Pinterest boards, or pictures so we can see some of your design preferences. If you don't have these, we'll help you find your style. Even if you only have magazine cutouts, anything helps. We're now about 2 to 4 weeks into the design process. Next, we'll consult with our engineer again if needed. Then we will set up our first draft design review. This usually takes place in our office, but we can have an online meeting if you prefer. This is where the design comes to life. You'll see your soon-to-be remodeled space in 3D. Quick design changes can be made during this time. If major changes are needed, they'll happen after this meeting, and we'll review the design together to ensure you love everything about it. After reviewing your feedback to revise the layout, we now have a path moving forward. It's time to schedule some shopping. This is an exciting time where we take you and all decision makers around to our vendors and supplier showrooms to get our hands on the products we'll use in your home remodel. We will schedule all of these appointments for you. A lot of decisions are made during the shopping process, including what products, colors, and styles you'll choose to incorporate into your project. Decisions might not be made while in the store, and that's okay. Samples can be taken home. You can talk about it, sleep on it, dream about it, and then decide. Sometimes multiple shopping days are needed. It's all good. By this point, we might be 4 to 6 weeks into the design process. Once the shopping process is complete, we start getting all the products together into the final design and drawing, so you can see your shopping selections reflected in the drawing. We will also have an updated budget discussion at this stage. Then it's time to bring the rest of the team on board. We'll schedule our trade contractors and whoever else is needed for your specific project, which could include the electrician, plumber, HVAC contractor, drywaller, painter, framer, etc. This is so we can start narrowing down the final numbers of the project. It's like a big puzzle. We're about 6 to 8 weeks into the design process, so we have the border of the puzzle completed with most of the middle pieces filled in as well. We've decided on all the final selections, trade contractor numbers, suppliers' numbers, etc. Now it's time to place those last few puzzle pieces. Finally, the last phase of the design process is to go over all the numbers in the final proposal and sign off on the work agreement. By this point, we reviewed the budget during each step, so the numbers should not be a surprise. We want to stay within your targeted budget range, but any changes that we've decided on will be reflected here. At this meeting, either in the office or online, we'll go over the detailed scope of work and numbers. We'll sign off on the work agreement, secure deposits, and move into the production process. It's that easy. Now I know what you're thinking. We're 8 to 12 weeks into the process. How can this be easy? And you're right. Each project is unique and your needs are different from your neighbors. So we want to ensure we make this process as easy and enjoyable as possible for everyone involved. Thanks for watching this video of the design process and allowing us to serve you and your community, for it is your business that is the future of our company.